Organic estimation of glycine. Determine the percentage purity of glycine in given solution. Our requirements are 0.1 normal NaOH, formalin solution and sample. Let us see procedure. Fill burette with 0.1 normal NaOH. Remove air bubble pressing pinch cork. Again fill burette with 0.1 normal NaOH up to 0 mark. Take 20 ml formalin solution in conical flask. Add few drops of phenolphthalein indicator. And titrate against 0.1 normal NaOH. At the end point, neutral formaldehyde solution is formed. Now take 25 ml glycine sample. And transfer it to 250 ml volumetric flask. Dilute it with distilled water up to mark. Shake it well. Suck 25 ml this diluted solution. And transfer it to conical flask. Add a few drops of phenolphthalein indicator. Again fill burette with 0.1 normal NaOH up to 0 mark. And do the titration of titrant against 0.1 normal NaOH. Endpoint will be colorless to pink. This is intermediate burette reading, that is 3 ml. Add 10 ml neutral formalin solution in titrant. Shake it well. Continue titrate it from intermediate burette reading against 0.1 normal NaOH. Endpoint is colorless to pink. That is 12.5 ml. Now see the observation and observation table. The burette reading is 12.5 ml. Finally, do the calculation of percentage purity of glycine as shown.